Google is one of the world's largest companies, but it's also one of the most competitive to get hired at. The company's acceptance rate is just 0.2%. You'd have a better chance of getting into Harvard. Don't be discouraged. With a bit of research and the right resume, you'll be able to impress Google recruiters and be one of the thousands of people who start at the company every year. I'm Anna, a professional career writer here at Resume.io, and in this video, I'll share 3 tips to help you write a resume that gets you hired at Google. In a company known for its culture and selectivity, it's no surprise that Google has its own formula for hiring. That's why my first tip is to spend some time understanding how Google approaches the application process so you can tailor your resume specifically for the company. Google prioritizes self-reflection for candidates. The company encourages prospective applicants to consider things like, what's the most rewarding job you've ever had and why? And what is something you learned that made everything else that came after easier? My second tip is to make your resume specific to the Google job description. Read the job description carefully. What technical skills are they looking for? What about soft skills? For your employment history bullet points, Google prefers the XYZ method of showing accomplishments. The formula goes like this. I accomplished X as measured by Y by doing Z. If you want a hand getting started, I've linked an adaptable resume example for a job at Google in the description below. Even though Google values employee culture and making sure a candidate's personality is a match for the company, technical skills are very important too. My third tip is to add them correctly to the various sections of your resume. Let's look at how to do that inside of Resume.io's Resume Builder. On your resume's header, make sure to add links to your GitHub, personal website, or other spaces where the hiring team can see your technical work in action. Also make sure your programming languages and any relevant certifications are prominently displayed in their own section on your resume. If you're a recent college graduate, also make sure to include your GPA and any relevant coursework you've taken. And in the employment history section, you can also lean on the XYZ method to reiterate any specific skills you used to accomplish a particular project in your previous positions. Google might be a tough company to break into, but they hire more than 20,000 people each year. You'll have a great shot at being one of them if you tailor your resume to the job you're applying to, follow the XYZ method, and prominently display your technical skills on your resume. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for even more resume tips and expert advice for landing your dream job.